Coffee is a popular morning ritual, but when is truly the best time to enjoy this caffeine-filled beverage? Let's start with what coffee actually does inside your body. Caffeine works by blocking adenosine, the chemical that makes you feel sleepy. When adenosine is blocked, you feel alert, focused, and energized. But here is the twist. Your body already has a natural energy rhythm called the circadian rhythm. Right after waking up, your body releases a hormone called cortisol, often called the stress or alertness hormone. Cortisol peaks about 30 to 45 minutes after you wake up, giving you a natural energy boost, even without coffee. So if you drink coffee during this cortisol peak, caffeine's effects are weaker, and your tolerance can build faster. So when should you drink your coffee? According to researchers, the best time is between 9:30 and 11:30 a.m. for most people who wake up around 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. By that time, your cortisol levels start to drop, and caffeine gives you the perfect lift, without fighting your natural hormones. This timing keeps you alert through late morning, boosts focus, and avoids the dreaded afternoon crash. But if you wake up later, say, around 9 a.m., simply push your coffee time forward by 2 to 3 hours. It's all about aligning your coffee with your body clock. What about that afternoon cup? We've all been there, feeling sluggish at 3 p.m. and reaching for caffeine. Here is the problem. Caffeine can stay in your system for 6 to 8 hours, so, drinking coffee after 2 p.m. can disrupt your sleep, even if you don't feel it immediately. Poor sleep means you'll wake up tired the next day, need more coffee, and the cycle continues. If you need a pick-me-up, go for green tea or half-caffeinated coffee instead. You'll still get a mild energy boost without ruining your night's rest. Here are a few simple hacks to make your coffee work even better. Drink water first. You lose fluid overnight. Hydrating before coffee prevents dehydration. Avoid sugary add-ins. Sugar causes an energy spike and crash. Pair coffee with protein or healthy fats, like eggs, nuts, or yogurt, for steady energy. Take a coffee nap, drink a cup, then nap for 20 minutes. When you wake up, caffeine kicks in, doubling the alertness. So remember, the secret isn't just how much coffee you drink, but when you drink it. For most of us, that's between 9:30 and 11:30 a.m., the sweet spot for maximum energy and focus. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed coffee and wellness tips.